Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front control arm on Chevrolet Captiva. First I'll show you the control arm that I'm talking about. This is the control arm. There is a ball joint there which is held by one nut, and two on the rear there is two control arm bushings that we need to remove the bolts on so that we can remove the control arm. First we'll start by removing the wheel. Next we're going to remove the nut for the drive axle and push the drive axle in. The size of the nut is size 36. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'm going to remove the bolt holding the ball joint to the wheel hub assembly. Next I'm going to remove the ball joint from the wheel hub assembly. I'm going to use this special tool to put pressure on the ball joint while I hit with the hammer. And now I'm going to remove the ball joint and then take out the CV joint from the wheel hub. Next I'm going to remove the bolts holding the control arm to the front subframe. This is one of the bolts, and there is another two bolts on the other bushing. They are right there. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'm going to use a pry bar to pry out the control arm from the subframe. And that's the control arm out. Now that the control arm is down, we can replace the bushings, the ball joint, or just replace the whole control arm, and then we're going to put it back on the car. And now we're going to put the control arm back on the car. Before starting to installing it, make sure that you loosen the nut that's that's holding the rear control arm bushing. Just loosen it so that the bushing can turn, so that it goes in easier. When the control arm is in, I'm going to put on the bolts. On the front side, the bushing needs to be hammered in, so I'm going to hammer it in a little bit until it goes in all the way, and then I'm going to put the bolt on. Next I'm going to tighten the two bolts holding the rear control arm bushing. Next I'm going to tighten the bolt on the front control arm bushing and the nut on the rear control arm bushing. In order to tighten it all the way, first I need to push up all the way the control arm, so that when I tighten it in a position of the control arm as up as possible, then that means it's in a position like when the car is driving, when the car is sitting on the ground, and bushings are not gonna be pressurized all the time. Next I'm going to install the CV joint into the wheel hub and then put the ball joint in there. Next I'm going to put the nut on the ball joint and tighten it, the nut on the CV joint and tighten it, and then assemble everything else in the reverse order, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.